Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ವಿಡಿಯೋಸನ್ನು ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ರೇಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಮೊರ್ಟಾಲಿಟಿ ರೇಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ 20th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ವರೆಗೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 21st ಆನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 1 mark, 2 marks, 5 marks and 10 marks. These exercise, all the questions are very very important thing. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಇವನ್ ದ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ದ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, STDR ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡೈಸ್ ಡೆತ್ ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಡ. ಈ ಸಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ದ ವೈಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, that marks you carries. Okay, then I will start, but all of you subscribe the channel, bell button, like and comment. Any queries or any confusion, comment the video. Okay, here the up to 20th sum, in the previous video it's over. The 21st sum, 21st is from the following data show that town B is healthier. From the following data show that town B is healthier. Here I already written the example. Okay, this sum, this is a STDR sum only. Show that town B is healthier, they ask. But here the deaths per 1000 is given. Age is given first column, deaths per 1000, town A and town B, and the standard population is given. Okay, then how to calculate this one? Deaths per 1000, don't take a confusion. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಇದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ STDR ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ GRR NRR ನ ಸಮ್ನ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ STDR ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಡೆತ್ ರೇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ASDR ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟದ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆತ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ 1000. ಟೌನ್ A is A and town B is this B. This is a standard population is given as a P. Then what if have to do in the answer sheet? If have to take it directly the PA PB, you are writing the age, deaths per 1000, these 4 columns, and you have to take it the PA and the PB. What is P? P is this one, this is A, and this one is a B. P into A, 15,000 into 18. Okay, that you have to multiply and you have to write it here, the 27,000. Okay, then here the 18,000 into 6, that you have to write it as a 10,08,000. Okay, 15,000 into 18, that is a 2,70,000. 2,70,000. This 18,000 into 6, that is a 10,08,000. Okay, 22,000 into 8, that is 1,76,000. Then 12,000 into 10, that is a 12,000 into 10. That is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Okay. When you are calculating, you have to be alert. Okay. Okay. Then the next one is that is a 8,000 into 80. That is 64. 6,40,000. 6,40,000. Then you have to take a total of this. Okay, that is a 13,14,000. Okay, I check once again. Okay, then the PB is 15,000 into 12. 15,000 P into B have to calculate here. That is 1,80,000. And this one 18,000 into 4. 18,000 into 4, that is a 72,000. Not 7 lakh. Then the next one is a 22,000 into 8. I calculated 1,76,000 only, this one. And this one is 12,000 into 9, 1,08,000. And this one is, last one is 8,000 into 90. That is 7,20,000. Okay. Then after taking this total, that is a 12,56,000. Okay. After getting this one, then we have to write it as a STDR of A and STDR of B. STDR of A is equals to, you have to compulsory you write down a formula, summation of PA divided by summation of P. What is summation of PA? That is a 13,14,000 divided by summation of P. P you have to take a total, this one 75,000 is a total. Then you have to, here you have to take it as a 75,000. Just check once again and divide it. You are getting answer as 17.52. That is a deaths per 1,000 population. Per 1,000 population. Okay. Then you have to calculate another town B. That is a STDR of town B is equals to summation of PB divided by summation of P. What is the PB? 12,56,000 divided by, that is a 75,000. Then you are getting an answer as, after dividing this, you have to take it as a 16.75 deaths per 1,000. Okay, per 1,000 population. Okay, then this is a 5 marks question. That's why not don't write a ASDR formula, but a 10 marks problem must and should you have to write a ASDR formula. Here, what the question show that town B is healthier. Town B is healthier means which one is lowest death rate here? 16.75 is the lowest death rate. Then you have to write it as a STDR of A is more than that of STDR of B. Then which one is less? That one is a more healthier. That's why town B is healthier. You have to write a must and should the comment. Okay. You have to be careful. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸತಿ ನಾನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಹುಡುಗರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸತಿ PA ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ P ಇಂಟು 1000 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಂಟು 1000 ನಿಮಗೆ ರೂಢಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1,000 ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದದ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್. We are this only you have to calculate summation of PA divided by summation of P divided by standard population. You have to do it. You have to give a comparison. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ locality A locality B ಇರ್ತದ. You have to give a comparison. Compulsory STDR problem they are asking a comment. Okay, then must and should you have to comment or comment on it. Conclusion you have to write it because it carries a 1 mark over there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 mark ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ 21st ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ದೆನ್ ದ 22nd ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ದ 22nd ಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Compute STDR for town A and B. State which town is healthier. Okay, the death rates is given town A and town B, and the standard population the same what we calculated in the previous. Okay, the one more sum I am showing you. Then you have to take it as a PA and PB again. Just I am writing PA and the PB. This is P. Death rates andro death per 1000 andaralle, that is also ASDR. Death rates means also it is already calculated, that's why you have to take it as this one B. Okay, then just you are multiplying with this as a PA PB. Okay, PA PB ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ. 15,000 into 18. 15,000 into 18. Okay, then that is a 35,000. Wait. Okay, I calculated here the 15,000 into 18, that is a 2,70,000, and 35,000 into 10, that is a 3,50,000. 30,000 into 15, that is a 4,50,000, and 20,000 into 20, that is a 4 lakh. Okay, if you have to take a total of this, the total of this is 14,70,000. 14,70,000. Okay, then the PB we have to calculate here. Okay, just 15,000 into 20. 15,000 into 20, that is a 3 lakh. Okay, 3 lakh. And that is a 35,000 into 12, that is a 4,20,000. Okay, then 30,000 into 18, that is 30,000 into 18, that is a 5,40,000. Then the last one is 24 into 2, that is a 4,80,000. Okay, then you have to take a total of this one, and that is a 17,40,000 is a total. Okay, after that just once again you check, all of you check it. Then STDR of A is equals to summation of PA divided by summation of P. That is equals to, what is the summation of PA? And take a total of this also, P, that is a P total. P total is a 1 lakh. Okay, then summation of PA is 14,70,000 divided by, that is a 1 lakh, is equals to 14.7 deaths per 1000 population. Okay, then STDR of B is equals to summation of PB divided by summation of P, 17,40,000 divided by, that is a 1 lakh. Okay, then that is a 17.4 deaths per thousand population. This is also per thousand population. Okay, and then which one is a healthier? Which town is a healthier? The question is. Then which one is less? STDR of A is a less. STDR of A is less than STDR of B. That's why the town A is healthier. Town A is a healthier. Okay. This is a question number 22. Is over. You have to write all these things. You have to write the formulas and just you calculate STDR of A and comparison. Just you give a comparison. Which one is less? That one is a more healthier. When you have to be careful when you are calculating. When the values is having in crores, okay, or in lakhs, you have to be careful. Zero. In 1 0 ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು the whole problem becomes wrong. Okay, the next one is 23rd. The 23rd sum. Okay, I already written. This is only town A, town B is not given here. Compute CDR and STDR for the following data. Okay, here CDR means the standard population is given, that is for a STDR sum. For CDR you need that one as a deaths divided by population into 1000. In the solution part, you have to write a CDR first. Before calculating a CDR, just you take a totals and do it. But if I have to take it as a P, this one as a P, first I write a column only. First if have to calculate the ASDR of A. Here only I will calculate ASDR of A. Okay. Then after that il PA ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣಂತ. Okay. Then here the ASDR is 600 divided by 20,000 into 1000, that is a 30. 240 divided by 10,000 into 1000, that is a 24. Here 1250 divided by 50,000 into 1000, that you are getting as a 25. And 1050 divided by 30,000 into 1000, that is a 35. And 50 divided by 10, this 500 divided by 10,000 into 1000, that is a 50. This is a column A you have to calculate. Then the PA 19,000 into 30, that is a 5,70,000. 5,70,000. One more time ನೀವು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Just the procedure is same, only you have to confirm the calculation. 24 into 17,000, that is a 4,08,000. Okay. Then the next one is a 25 into 28,000, that is a 7 lakh. Okay. Then 35 into 20, that is also a 7 lakh. 50 into 11, that is a 5,50,000. Take a total of this 5,50,000. Take a total, and that is a total is 29,28,000. Okay. Then if you have to calculate a CDR of this one. CDR of A is equals to death divided by, the population A is not given, only CDR you have to, death divided by population into 1000. You have to write a full formula for remembrance purpose only. You have to keep this one. Number of deaths divided by total population or average population into 1000. Then you have to write it, that take a total of this one, that is a 3640, and this one is a 1,20,000. Okay, then 3640 divided by 1,20,000, that is equals into 1000, that is equals to 30.33 deaths. This is CDR. You have to calculate a CDR over here. Then STDR of this is, STDR is equals to, that is a summation of PA divided by summation of P. Summation of PA divided by P is 29,28,000 divided by 95,000 is equals to, that is a 30.82. 30.82 deaths per 1000 population. But here you calculated as a ASDR. Now in the previous video it is already given, but here in this video we calculated as a ASDR. That's why must and should you have to write a ASDR formula. The number of deaths in a specific age group divided by average population or total population. Average population in that specific age group. In the specific age group into 1000. Better you show it as a one, only one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. 600 divided by 20,000 into 1000. That is a 30 is a answer. Okay. Similarly, we computed all this one. Okay. This you have to up to the this one. This one is also they are asking the 5 marks only. Usually they are ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನಾಗ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯೂಶಲಿ ಟೌನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೌನ್ ಬಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ 10 marks question only. But also you have to do it this, how to do CDR, STDR, and must and should. You have to write a ASDR formula and one calculation you have to show it. This is the 23rd question. Then what is the 24th question? Okay, this is a 24th question. This is a 10 mark question. Not really. 10 mark ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ 10 mark ಅಂದ್ರೆ compute STDR and comment. Age is given, standard population is given, and the population A deaths, population B's and population B's death is given. Okay, then you have to calculate in the answer sheet. ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ನಡೀತದ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ASDR. ಏಜ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ and ASDR of A you have to calculate. Okay, and the first ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಏದ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಾ. ASDR ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್, that is a P. Okay, Then you have to take it as a PA. Total you have to take it. Okay. Then we will calculate ASTR. What is the ASTR? 8,000 divided by 20,000 into 1,000. 8,000 divided by 20,000 into 1,000. You have to calculate. Go on calculating. Okay. Sorry, not this one. 128 divided by 8,000 into 1,000. 65 divided by 13,000 into 1,000. 140 divided by 10,000 into 1,000. Go on calculating the first ASTR. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ASTRನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಡೆತ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಂಟು 1,000 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ 128 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 8,000 ಇಂಟು 1,000 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದಂತಂದ್ರೆ 16. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ 5. ಓಕೆ, third one is a 14 and the fourth one is a 63. Then standard population, this one is given that you have to write it 20,000, 30,000, then 35,000 into 15,000. Okay. Then you have to multiply these two, ASDR of A into standard population, P into A. Okay, that is a P into A when you are multiplying 16 to ZA. Okay, that is a 3,20,000. Okay, then 30,000, 1,50,000. Then 35 into 14, 35,000 into 14, that is a 4,90,000. Then 9,45,000. Okay, this is a PA. The same way you have to calculate the B. You have to calculate the ASTR of B. Then the standard population is here only. Then I will calculate directly. Ille population A and B ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್. ಇದು ನೀವು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಿ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ 72 divided by 4,000 into 1,000. 54 divided by 9,000 into 1,000. After calculating this one, I got the answers 18, 6, 14 and 43. Okay. This one PB, that is a 3,60,000. Okay, 1,80,000, 4,90,000. Okay, then 6,45,000. Total is, that is 16,75,000 is a PB total. The PA total is 19,05,000. And standard population we need it. That is a standard population total is, that is a 1 lakh. Sorry, 10 lakh it is. $8,000, $13,000. Okay, standard population, that is wait, I calculate here. 35,000 into the 35,000 plus 15,000, that is a 50,000. This is 50, that is a 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. Afterwards, this one is, if have to first I write it as a ASTR. ASTR is equals to, you have to write a formula, that is a number of deaths in a specific age group divided by average population in a specific age group into 1,000. Okay, and then just you show it anyone. 128 divided by 8,000 into 1,000. That is equals to 128. That is a 16 answer. Okay, one you have to show it. The further calculations are same. Then STDR directly you have to take it. STDR of A is equals to summation of PA divided by summation of P. Summation of PA is 19 lakh 5,000 divided by 1 lakh. That is equals to 19.05 is the answer. 19.05 is the answer. That is a deaths per 1,000. Then you have to write it as a B also. You have to write it. The B is STDR of B is equals to summation of PB divided by summation of P. That is equals to, that is a total of this one is 16,75,000 divided by 1 lakh. That is equals to 16.75 deaths per 1,000 population. Okay. Then after writing these two answers, just you have to give a comparison. This is a 19 point and this one is a 16 point. Then which one is less? That is a B is a less. Okay. The STDR of B is a less population, less death. STDR of B is less than STDR of A. Then the town B. What is given here? Village A, village B. Okay. And then village B population is more healthier. More healthier. Write it neatly. Do it properly. The ASDR must and should ASDR ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಮರೆಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 99 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡವ್ರು ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ASDR ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ASDR ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ಅ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ASDR ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ಅ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಎಷ್ಟೋ 100 ಸ್ಕೋರರ್ಸು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು 99 ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. That's why don't mistake here in a STDR sum. Okay. Then the 25th sum. 25th is a same problem it is. Okay. Just I will give you answers. Okay students. Yeah. I already written. The A I already calculated 60 divided by 4,000 into 1,000. Okay. Then 45 divided by 9,000 into 1,000 like that A. And B I already calculated. The standard population is given, that is you have to take it as a P, this one. Then P into A, that is P into B. Okay. The totals is already taken, already considered. The same you have to do it. ASDR formula you have to write it. Okay. That is a full formula you have to write it. DT divided by PT into 1,000. That is a number of deaths in a specific age group divided by average population in the specific age group into 1,000. Just you have to show it anyone. 60 divided by 4,000 into 1,000. That is a 15 answer. Okay. Like that the STDR of just I give you answer. You already know how to calculate. Then summation of don't forget to write formulas. Summation of PA divided by P, that is a 4,62,000 divided by 40,000. Okay, 40,000. The answer is, I already calculated this one. The answer is 11.62. 11.62. Then STDR of B is summation of PB divided by summation of P, that is 4 lakh, and this is B I already calculated, 65,000. This one is okay, 62,000 divided by 40,000, that is equals to 11.55. just point ಒಳಗೆ variation ada. Okay, that's why the STDR of B is more healthier comparative to A. You have to write a comment on it. Okay, then the 26th sum. 26th. Okay, the 25th sum is completed now. Then the 26th sum. 26th is this one. Calculate the STDRs for a locality A and locality B, taking locality A as a standard population. Here in this example, the standard population is not given separate. In the population of locality A and locality B, two populations are there. Just you be alert here. Taking locality A as a standard population. You have to take a locality A as a standard population. ಇದನ್ನೇನದಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, I already written this example. Okay, if you want you can write it as a standard population. You write it as a again because of no confusion. This is a 5,000. Okay, this one is a 5,000 and 12,000, 15,000 and 4,000. Okay, this is a standard population. Okay, the same population depth of locality A, locality B, population depths and standard population, you have to write it again the locality A's. Then if locality A's population, you have to take it as a standard population. The one note is there, that is if you are calculating the same, that is CDR is equals to a STDR. When you are taking the population same standard population, that equal to a CDR equal to a STDR. No, not necessary to calculate again the ASDR of A and PA, the PA divided by P. Only you have to calculate the CDR. CDR, how you are calculating? You know how to calculate this, taking a total of this one. Okay, the deaths total divided by the population total into 1,000. This is a 420. And this total is 36,000. 36,000. Then here you are calculating as a the number of CDR formula you are writing, number of deaths divided by total population or average population into 1,000. Must and should you have to write a formula. Then number of deaths is a 420 divided by 36,000 into 1,000. That answer is 11.67. 11.67, that is a STDR of A. STDR of A is also 11.67. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅದರದೇ ಆದ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು CDR ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಸಾಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11 ಆದ STDR ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಒನ್ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ B you have to calculate as usual. That you have to calculate as a B. Then you have to calculate as a PB. What is B? B is a 145 divided by 4,000 into 1,000. That is a 36.25. It is already I calculated. Then 5.45. 6.43, then 36.67. Then this is a standard population. You have to considering as this one as a P. Then this P standard population into B you have to calculate 5000 into 36.25. That you are getting as a 18,000 1250. Okay, 1,81,250. Then multiplying with this, you are getting as a 65,400. Then 96,450, and this 1,46,680. Then take a total of this one, that is 4,89,780. The PB is this one. Then only you have to calculate the PB. Then ASDR 1 you have to calculate. Afterwards you have to write it as a PB. The ASDR formula compulsory you have to write it. Number of deaths, because you calculated in a specific age group, divide by total population in a specific age group into 1000. Okay, then STDR of B is equals to summation of PB divided by summation of P. Summation of PB is 4,89,780 divided by then the standard population total you have to take it. The standard population total is town age is that is 36,000. Then the answer is 13.60. 13.60. I got it as a 605, and in the textbook it is given as a 61. Okay. This is STDR of A is 11.67 and STDR of B is 13.60. Okay. Then which one is highest? This one is highest. That's why STDR of A is less than STDR of B. Then therefore the locality A population is healthier. Okay. Then you have to write like that. If the locality A's population standard population is given, okay, you are taking only CDR, then that is a right answer. That is equals to STDR. ಇಲ್ಲೇ CDR ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಸಾಕು, ನೀವು STDR ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ. Okay. Then this one, the 27th sum. 27th sum is from the following data calculate CDR and STDR of two cities A and B. That is age, city A and city B. Standard population is given in this. Okay. Then you calculate only the deaths divided by population into 1000. This CDR calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಾಕು ನಿಮಗೆ STDR answer ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Just you observe here. This is STDR of B is equals to 29.2 and CDR of B is equals to 29.2. If you want, you can calculate again. Okay, this is 27th sum. 27th sum, then you have to calculate this one, you have to take it as a standard population. Standard population. B's 7,000, 15,000, 25,000 and 3,000. It is given in the question. Question ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ you have to calculate again, don't calculate this one. This is a CDR. CDR of CDR is equals to, just you write the formula and CDR value is, CDR of this one is, this total is 992. Not 992, it is this one is 992, because they ask as a CDR of A and CDR of B. Then this total CDR of A is a 40,000. Okay. Then this one is 1460, 1460, and the population of this one is a 50,000. Okay. The standard population is also same, 50,000. Then CDR of A is equals to, if you have to write a formula, okay, number of deaths divided by total population into 1000. Then if you have to take it as a 992 divided by 40,000 into 1000. Then CDR of A is equals to 24.8. The answer is 24.8. Okay. Then CDR of B is equals to, that is 1460 divided by 50,000 into 1000. That is equals to, answer is 29.2. And this one you write down, CDR of B is equals to STDR of B, that is equals to 29.2. Not necessary to calculate again. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ CDR ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ STDR ಇರ್ತದೆ. Only if have to calculate A, the ASTR, and that one is a P into A, you have to calculate here. A is, what is a 100 divided by 5000 into 1000, that is a 20. Okay, this one is 28, 15 and 200. 200 divided by 1000 into 1000, that is a 200. Okay, then P into A, that is a 1,40,000, then 4,20,000, 3,75,000 and 60,000. This one, the take a total of this one, that is 9,95,000, and this one is 50,000. You already know that one. Then here you have to write a formula, ASTR compulsory. Then STDR of A is equals to summation of PA divided by summation of P, that is equals to PA is 9,95,000 divided by 50,000 is equals to okay, this is not an answer. This is a 6 lakh, not a 200 into 3000, that is a 30 plus 20. Okay, this is a, then this is a wrong. This one is 1,53,000, 15,35,000 is the answer, the total. Okay, this is not, don't take it, this one, 15,35,000 divided by 50,000, that is equals to 30.7 is the answer. That is a 30.7 is the answer. This is 30.7. This both is 29.2 and 29.2. This is a 24.2 is a 24.8. Bandadnanda 24.8 correct. Okay. But if you have to compulsory, you have to write a ASDR formula and comment compulsory, then only you are getting a full 10 marks. You have to be careful. You have to be careful when you are calculating. ನಾನು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60,000 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, but it is a 6 lakh this one. Then take a total of this one. Okay. Then the 27th sum is completed. Then the next one is a life table sum. In a life table, if L1 is equals to 95,400 and L2 is equals to 93,492, then find the survival ratio and mortality ratio of the first year. Then the survival ratio and mortality ratio is easy, very easy. It is how to calculate this one. The given, what is given, L1 and L2 is given. And for L1 and L2, you have to take it a survival ratio. What is the survival ratio? Survival ratio, that is a Px. Px is equals to 1 minus Qx. But you have to calculate first as a Qx is given as a mortality ratio. Mortality ratio is, that is Qx. Qx is equals to dx divided by Lx. What is a dx? Dx is a, you know that one. You know the formula. Dx is equals to Lx minus Lx plus 1. ಅಂದರೆ L1. ಇಲ್ಲ D1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು L1 minus L2. That is equals to 95,400 minus 93,492. That is equals to 1,908. 1,908. Okay. Then Q1 is equals to dx. That is you have to 1,908 divided by L1 you have to substitute here. 95,400. Then Qx is equals to, that is answer is 0.02. The answer is 0.02. Then Qx is equals to 0.02. Then Px is equals to 1 minus Qx. That is equals to 1 minus 0.02 is equals to 0.98 is the answer. That is a survival ratio. This is a mortality ratio and this one is a survival ratio. Okay, the 29th sum, last sum it is. In a life table, if L1 is equals to 95,400 and T1 is equals to 61,05,600 years, then find the expectation of a life in the first year. Then you have to calculate expectation of life is here. That is, a formula is Ex is equals to Tx divided by Lx. Okay, Tx divided by Lx. When we are considering x as equal to a 1, then E1 is equals to T1 divided by L1. What is a T1? T1 is given in the question, that is a 61,05,600. Okay, divided by that is a 95,400. Okay, this divided by this means 64 years. 64 years is a answer. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅದ್ದು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೆರಡು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಇದು ಫಿಗರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗಿದ ಇವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಿಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ vital statistics, all exercise sums. If you are having any confusion or any doubts, comment. Okay, and the next video I will make a index numbers exercise. ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಏನನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಓಕೆ students, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and comment the video.